Hello everyone, welcome to Rama Foods Cookery Club. I thought I will do a small video for you guys so that you understand how I run my cookery classes. So basically, Rama Foods Cookery Club is based in Stratford upon Avon. In my cookery classes, I teach people of all capabilities, whether you are a beginner or whether you are a very advanced cook. You are more than welcome to try my cookery classes. I'm sure that you will certainly learn something new from these classes. It's a half a day course which starts with the introduction, teas and coffees. And in this presentation, I also take you through the different cooking techniques of Indian cuisine and a different terminology like what is tadka, what is bhuna, what is rogan josh. So that kind of terminology. So I explain to you that what is the terminology of Indian cuisine. And then we move on to the spice masterclass in which I show you different spices, their various uses, what are their effects, and at what stage these spices are used in cooking a good Indian dish. Right. After the masterclass, we move on to our practical cookery session in which you will be cooking as a team three-course meal, which will include your starters, your main dish, and your side dishes. And then once you have done the cooking, you will take home takeaway for two people. So you will take enough food for two people to share later with your friends and family. So that was my cookery classes explained to you. I conduct my cookery classes in a very professional manner, but also in a very relaxed manner. So you're not only learning, but you are also enjoying the whole experience. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with me via email, or you can just ring me and we can arrange your cookery classes. So once I receive your email or your query, I will give you certain dates about the availability, and if you are available on that day, then I will book the date for you, and then you can do the payment via bank transfer, or you can also pay on the day itself. Okay, so these classes are great for individuals anyway, but also get in touch for your team building sessions, or if you want to organize these classes for your family group, and then you are more than welcome to get in touch with us as well, and I'm sure I can cater to that as well. And lastly, you will also have the opportunity to buy my spice box on the day of the cookery session, or you can also pre-book them and collect it on the day itself. They are a very nice tool to make a complete curry, and they comes with my handmade bespoke, my secret recipe garam masala. More questions, please feel free to get in touch with me, and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you around soon. Thank you.